Hey guys, so it is a new week of what's for dinner and we are having chili. So I cooked it in the crock pot for 8 hours. It has hamburger meat, beans like kidney beans, chili beans, I think another can of kidney beans. There's cheese, sour cream, and then I put a pack of chili mix, and then also I added some Conecuh sausage. So if you never heard of Conecuh sausage, it is from the South, and I think it's only in the South actually, but it's very, very good, and I can't really describe the taste of it, but it's just really good. A lot of people down here like it, and we're just known for it down here in one of the Conecuh counties. And yeah, so this is what we're having for dinner. Super good. It's always good. It's very chilly. It's like 55 degrees outside, but this is what we're having for dinner, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So it is Monday, and since it is Thanksgiving week, it will be a very light week. So I thought I would bring back chicken Loretta because we absolutely love chicken Loretta. It's amazing. So it's chicken thighs with a layer of mayonnaise. I know it sounds gross, but just trust me. A layer of mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, paprika, salt, pepper, and some Parmesan cheese. We had some roasted zucchini, and I made a side of mashed potatoes. And yeah, so this is our dinner for tonight. It looks really good, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, you guys, so today is Tuesday, and we are just having leftovers. So we are having chicken Loretta, mashed potatoes, and roasted zucchini. As always, it is a tried and true. I will be putting some Crystal hot sauce, the best hot sauce in the world. I'm not going to argue with you guys. But yeah, so this is dinner, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Is indeed the #1 dog in the presence of royalty here with Ibotta, who's the #1 dog in the country right now. Breeds enter here in our show.
The good thing about Thanksgiving is no one has to cook for two.
Hey guys, so it is Saturday, and I skipped Friday because we had leftovers, but Saturday we're starting leftovers again. So we made some grilled cheese sandwiches. We got some bread, some cheese, and then we chopped up some leftover ham. So this is the start of some leftovers from Thanksgiving. So be prepared for that. But yeah, so this is what we're having for dinner tonight. And super yummy, very crispy, and we love it. So see you tomorrow. I'm just kidding. Today is actually Saturday. I'm getting my days wrong because I'm still trying to figure out what day it is after Thanksgiving. But today's Saturday, so it's the end of the week. So this is what's for dinner. Make sure you like and subscribe down below, and let me know any leftover recipes that I should try in the upcoming week, and I will try it out for lunch or for dinner sometimes. But yeah, talk to you later. Bye.